What's up, guys? Marc here, Wired Kustoms Motorsports in Cleburne, Texas. Today we are unboxing an Audio Dynamics 4000 series 10-inch speaker. This speaker is engineered in the USA and only costs $4.99. In my opinion, it is underpriced for what you are getting. It does have an RMS rating of 1500 watts. And oftentimes we will run a lot more than what that rating is. It's a 3-inch coil and a triple stack 225 ounce motor. As you can tell, the spiders and the tinsel leads are well overbuilt. This is one of the best options for a 10-inch speaker, and all of their speakers are created to run in smaller oriented enclosures because the average car or truck, we are limited in space nowadays. Please give us a call to order Wired Kustoms Motorsports.